你好，我是吴一安 and welcome to 一安中文 Easy Chinese. 数字 numbers. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。R means two. R and two are words. If I write the numeral 2, I write it like this. They are numerals. So Chinese numerals and numerals in other languages are the same. It's the words that are different. While the numbers 一二三四 mean 1, 2, 3, 4, if I'm counting something, I have to add a measure word or a counting word between the number and the thing I'm counting. So if I'm counting one person, I'd say 一个人, or two, 两个人, three, 三个人. You'll notice that we don't say 二个人, we say 两个人. It's just an exception in the Chinese language. If I'm saying 一天 one day or 一年 one year, I don't need a measure word because day and year are measure words of time. There's an exception to this exception. We have to say 一个月 for 1 month because 一月 means January. 十 means 10. 十一 11, 十二 12, 十三 13, all the way up to 十九 19. 二十 20, 二十一 21, and so forth. 三十 三十一, all the way up to 九十九 99. It's worth noting that with 10, you don't need an e before the 一百 means 100. When we say 101, we don't say 一百一. No, we say 一百零一. 一千 means 1,000. 一千零一 means 1001. We don't say 一千零零一. There's no need to put the extra ling in. And this applies for any number. The maximum number of lings you need to add is 1. 一百一十 means 110. We don't say 一百十. The Chinese counting system works in 10,000 units. 一one means 10,000. 十one, 10,000 or 100,000. 一百one, 110,000 or 1 million. 一千one, 1,010,000 or 10 million. 100 million. 中国的人口是14亿7千万。澳大利亚的人口是2550万。You'll remember earlier we said 两个人 means two people. The use of 两 continues with other numbers. 200. 200. You can also say 200, but it's more proper to say 200. 2000, 2000. 2万, 20,000. Ordinal numbers are numbers that show us the order. 第一 first. 第二 second. 第三 third. 第一个人 the first person. 第二个人 the second person. 第三个人 the third person. You'll notice that with 第二 and 第二个人, we've reverted back to using the R. We don't use liang. When read alone or used in counting, E is pronounced with a flat tone. However, when we say 一个人, the tone is a rising tone. The same with 一万, 10,000. When we say 一百, 100, and 一千, 1,000, the tone on the E is a falling tone. But does it really matter? No, not really. Because we write characters, we don't write tone marks when we're writing Chinese, and we naturally do change our voice when we speak. If you like us, like us. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. I hope this was helpful. 再见.